Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your account on Figma. In this guide, you will learn how to get started on the Figma website using your existing Google account, and it will only take a few minutes of your time. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the Figma website at figma.com. Once the site loads, you will see the home page where Figma introduces its design and collaboration tools. Take a moment to explore the site if you are new, but when you are ready to create your account, look for the prominent invitation offered on the home page. When you locate the invitation to get started, click on the option that says Get Started for free. This button is clearly displayed and is designed to guide you into the registration process without any cost. By clicking this button, you give the signal that you are interested in exploring all that Figma has to offer and that you are ready to set up a personal workspace. After clicking on the free starter option, you will be presented with different methods for signing in. In this next step, select Continue with Google. This option is ideal if you already have a Google account, as it simplifies the process by letting you use your existing credentials. By choosing to continue with Google, you bypass the need to create a separate username and password for Figma. Once you click Continue with Google, your browser will be redirected to a page where you must choose an account to use for signing in. At this point, you will see a list of available Google accounts, and you should select the one you want to use with Figma. It's important that you choose the Gmail account you prefer, as this account will be associated with your Figma profile and all related activities. After selecting the desired Google account, you will be prompted to confirm your choice by clicking Continue. This step finalizes the process of connecting your Google account with Figma, and it helps ensure that your account settings are properly updated. Make sure to verify any details if prompted during this stage so that your account reflects the information you want to use. Finally, you will be asked to answer a few questions to complete the setup of your account within Figma. These questions are designed to personalize your experience by tailoring the platform to your individual needs. Provide accurate and thoughtful answers, as the input you offer here will help Figma configure your workspace in a way that best suits your design and collaboration style. By following these steps in sequence, you can quickly and easily establish an account on Figma. The process leverages your existing Google credentials and guides you through a series of simple interactions. Now that you have set up your account, you are ready to begin designing, prototyping, and collaborating with others on the platform. Enjoy exploring the powerful tools available to streamline your creative projects on Figma.